Welcome back to my channel again. Well, in the previous video I showed a sweet potatoes recipe. In reference to this video, the sweet potatoes just cooked and they are ready. I wanted to show you guys the end result of the boiled sweet potatoes, and this is how they look like. That's the cut sweet potato, and this is how it looks like. I hope you can see, guys, and that's just how it looks like. And the other sweet potato is like this. Remember, I told you while the sweet potatoes are boiling, you will see the skin peeling off, and this shows that the sweet potatoes are ready. So you can just see how the skin peeled, and that's to indicate that they were ready. So I cut a piece of it from this one, and here's the end result. Just have a look at this. It looks amazing, and I'm so happy to show you guys this recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy. I hope you are a fan of sweet potatoes, or gwaci as we call it in Kikuyu. And as I said, you serve sweet potato with some tea. This is some Kenyan tea for those guys who have not who don't know about Kenyan tea. This is just how it looks like. This is the rest of it, and that's the full meal of boiled sweet potatoes or gwaci. I'm looking forward to read from you guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment down the section, and until we meet again next time, enjoy and goodbye.